What's up YouTube, welcome to more trades. This is going to be a quick update on EOS, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and join the free Discord. And if you would like this video and this update, then smash the likes. Okay, EOS had this move to the upside, and I was looking at this fixed volume profile, and we had hit the value area high, and I entered a trade over here and is still in so much profit. Now you can trade it by just looking at volume profiles and also in conjunction with EMAs, and you can make your decisions accordingly. What I'm looking at for EOS at the moment is that at the moment on the weekly, nothing bullish. We are breaking below this big green engulfing candle. We may turn around, but let's look at our fib retracements for this entire move up from the lows over here to the peak. We are bouncing off the 0.618 fib, so that would be a level that you could say, okay, that is a 0.998. You could consider that as a point to take a long, but with the market conditions looking weak at the moment, maybe not. However, we had a double top. The measured move of this breakdown of this double top could take you as low as 0.828 cents. We have the POC at around the 0.931 and the value area low at the 0.875. The thing is, when you enter into the fixed range volume profile, the volume profile range, when there is a gap and insufficiency, you tend to try to fill that. And the movement now could be to the downside. We had a pullback after this big drop today. We had broken down below the 55 EMA on the daily. On the weekly, we have well, they don't appear on this chart, but on the daily, you broken down below the 200 EMA, and that isn't bullish. You had a short signal over here on the 4-hourly on the 8th of March, and it's still going on. As I told you, when the 813 and 21 cross the 55, the next candle that opens and closes below the 8 EMA, that's your entry. And I told you that usually you'll get maybe a small dump, a pump, and a continuation, and that's what happened. Now, how low could it go? I'm looking at the zone as a 0.931. And could we retrace to the upside? It's a high possibility, a high probability that we could retrace as high as, if there is room to continue low. We might turn around here and start pumping, but so far, like Bitcoin and Solana, we've retraced to 0.236. For this to become bullish again, we need to break above the 1.197, the 0.786 retracement. Then that's a rotation, and that will be breaking above these highs over here. But if we come to the 1.124 or even the 1.163 and get a rejection, then that's an indication that we might be continuing lower for EOS. If we can reclaim finally the 1.36, then there's a higher chance to even rotate to the upside. That's my update for EOS. I basically traded it off the volume profile, and because it was way overextended to the upside, despite the market was holding or some coins were pulling down, but EOS was acting very it was pumping crazily. Usually when the market pumps, and if the rest of the market is asleep or pulling back, then that's when you should search for confluences for a short, and vice versa. At the moment the markets are dumping, this is when you should not be looking for shorts. Probably you should look for longs, or even maybe shorts at pullbacks. If we start pumping a bit to the upside, then you could re-enter a short. All right, more trades. I'm out. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.